Hello, my name is Amparo Iglesias and I'm a software engineer with more than 10 years of experience and also founder of Neurohain. And today I am here to walk through our one of more beloved products that's named VetFlow AI. What is VetFlow AI? It's an operated automation system for veterinary clinics. What does it mean? It's an automatization that helps you to register new clients, making follow-ups, contacting new leads, make post-operation controls, and so on. I will show you every details of our product in the next minutes. Okay, so here we are in our short demo, and the first things that I want to add, this is an system that don't need to change any of your systems. Our focus is to make an aggregation of the things you already use in it without changing anything, without adding new stuff. So our first page is a dashboard that we can show all the... It's a dashboard where we can show all the details, a resume about our clinic. That means the no-shows we avoided. What is no-shows? People that don't come to the appointment, then reminders, qualifieds, pop-ups, and etc. And here is a short resume about, for example, in the month of March, how much losses we have if we don't have VetFlow AI and how much losses we will have if we have one. And then you can see that every month this will be a reduce. How much we lost, how much we recover. Okay, so basically VetFlow AI has 6 modules. The first 4 are the basic setups and then the other 2 are the plus. In this demo, I will show you the basic setup, that is appointments, health, follow-ups, and leads. And the other 2 extra ones are marketing campaigns to acquire new leads or new patients on generation of auto documentation. But this is a plus that we can show you later. Today for the basics, I will start with the first, that is the appointments. Here is the basic agent, but not that basic because you can send a message, book an automatic appointment. All this is based on AI, so will be an AI who will interact with the client. We can make here a short explanation. For example, hi Luna, you want to make an appointment for your vaccination, annual vaccination. They say perfect so much, and I could say okay, see you on Monday. But the main point here to reduce this no-show, that is people forgetting about it, the appointment, or something happened in their life and they need to reschedule. So here we have the 24 hours before reminder. So our AI will send a reminder when making a scanner of all the appointments and send to the person, hi Emma, just to remind you that you have an appointment tomorrow. And then she can answer if she say yes, I will be there, or no. And then we can put another 2 hours reminder before, also to confirm, or if the client cannot make it. For example, you have an appointment tomorrow, he says sorry, I have to work, things happen in life, and then we say okay, we have another spot for Max, just choose one, and we have the confirmation. This is very, very special because most of the time people don't show up because of things happening, and if you give them the chance to make a new appointment, this will reduce almost around 70% of the no-shows. So we head to the module number 2, that is the reminders. In this case, we have all the schedule that we have, was all the animals, the type of animal, what is up to date, what is the next appointment that they should do, and so on. And then we have the different status that we say, okay, we can contact the mother of Luna, that is Emma Wilson, and say that she needs to give the vaccination as soon as possible. Then we can here make an example also, a simulation of a vaccine reminder to say, okay, hello, your expired vaccination is in 5 days, you can you want an appointment, or you want to bring the vaccination home and give it by yourself. And then they say, okay, the appointment please. So we make one. So then we pass to the follow-up, and this is one of my favorite models, to be honest. And this is because it's really special in the moment that client support very, very clear. So after you have a post-surgery, you can send, for example, the case of Bella. They say, hello Claire, how is Bella doing? And she say, she's much better, thank you, I am giving the drops 2 times per day. Then we say, brilliant, perfect, okay. But in cases that the answer is not good, this will be, of course, all by an AI, but we will define basis on the vet logic when he wants to be notified. In this case, for example, we say, hello, here, how is Toby after the surgery? He say he had not so good night, to be honest. We start to ask more questions, for example, what's going on? And then he says he's very, very feeling bad, and so on. And then we make the automatic alert. So the point of this is, if the animal is fine, we don't contact the veterinary, we just answer with the AI. But if the case is danger, we send immediately a message to the vet, so he can contact by WhatsApp or just call the person. And then we say what is the symptoms, what is the patient, and so on. And the last and not least is the WhatsApp manage and qualification. This case is to attract new clients. When everyone can send me a new message, hi, my dogs needs vaccinations, then we can make a kind of CRM to organize them. Here we can, of course, also make a short example that, hello, good afternoon, my cat is not feeling well, it's urgent, so I can automatically say, okay, we have an appointment today at 6 p.m. This is perfect that you have a assistant that answer your clients all the time, even when you are not open, maybe when you cannot catch the phone because you are saving the life of some animals. So this is our system. It can be implemented in your clinic in 14 days without changing anything, without adding new stuff. So if you want more details, just book a call with us.